Hey guys, what's up? So, quick update on the race car, the Spec 3 car. So I buttoned most of the cooling system stuff back up. Uh, I don't, there are going to be some snippets of it here and there in the video today, but today's focus is a little bit different. Today we did some M2 work. We put the intake on and did the fender liners. Just took it for a drive. Feels great. The real reason we did that today is because I'm waiting for the plates to come in from the DMV before I do the brakes. I got some new pads and rotors for the Spec 3 car, but to bed them in properly, I got to be able to drive it. So waiting on that before we put those on. I've taken the Spec 3 car down the street. I live on a dead end street, so I've taken it back and forth down the street. It's been in my driveway for the past week. It not leaking, nothing's coming out, so it looks like the radiator and the hoses and everything are good there. We're not leaking oil from my oil change. I didn't expect that, but no marks on the driveway there, so we're good. That's a great sign. So it looks like we'll be good to go with the brakes there when I get the plate. Also, just a heads up, probably won't have a video next week. I know I had 2 weeks since the last video, but going on vacation. If you're heading to NJMP on the 17th or 18th, I'll be down there on the 18th. Not racing, but I'll be in the area, so I figured I'd swing by and see what's going on. So welcome back to the channel, and here we go. New radiator. It's going to go in today. For a later date, we got a new valve cover gasket and all the extra fittings, including the oil cap gasket. And then just for fun, because I know this always, or this seems to always break or dry rot, we got the alternator. I got the coolant temperature sensor right here. Some Teflon tape right there. We're going to screw it in. After we wrap it in Teflon tape, make sure it's a nice secure seal. Then we got the grommet points right there, isolators right there. Be good to put them in. We should be able to start dropping it in it right after that. Let's go. All right, guys. So we got the upper hose in. We got the lower hose. I like this radiator because it's got actual hardware screws, not the plastic push pins. Got it on both sides. The lower's connected down there. I didn't plug in the reservoir sensor in there, but I think the mic died before. So I got the radiator in. It's completely mounted, hosed up. I didn't refill the coolant yet. I'm going to do that once I get everything else situated. But hopefully tomorrow and a day, which will probably be the same video, I will be able to take this for a drive up and down the street and run it and make sure nothing's leaking and we're good to go. After that, brakes and tires, and should be able to do HPDE 1. Nice. Can't wait. I think I'm going to be out at NJMP on November. I think it's the first weekend in November. Hopefully with this car. If not, I'll be taking the M2. Not ideal, but it's what we're doing. We're building a race car. Let's go. Today, we're doing something a little different. Both liners are back in. You can see the rivet down here. There's one up here. Can't really see it in the angle. And then there and there. Back there and down there. Liner's all in. So let's put this back in, or the wheel back on, and drop the car.